What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 2013 Kawasaki Vulcan Vaquero. This is a great looking bike, guys. We have a couple of these in right now. Got all matte black paint job. Looks like it needs a little bit of a wipe down right here. There's some like dust on it or something. Looks like stock pipes, maybe not. As I lose my chair that I'm rolling around. Looks like stock pipes. The black is actually in pretty good shape. Typically what happens with like the Harley matte black paint jobs is that they start to sun fade when people keep them outside. But it looks to me like this one's in pretty darn good shape. It does have the quick detach backrest to it. Has the rider backrest. There's a couple flaws with this bike, and I'm gonna point them out. All that engine casing looks good. Here's one of the main things. Slight dent right there. I believe on the exact other side as well. There's a slight right there, if you can see that with the glare. I guess it has a handlebar riser that somebody put on, and when they were doing that, the handlebars kind of slumped and hit right there. And on the other side as well. That's one of the things that's wrong with it. As far as cosmetically on the bike, it's in great shape. It's got the leathers on the lowers there. It's all basically stock. We have another one that's not all stock, but this one is all basically stock. These big old highway pegs. Seat's in great shape. Okay, and here's the next major flaw. So, this is why it's going to be priced the way it's priced. As you can hear, and I'll just use static because it's copyright free. As you can hear, there's static coming out, but there is no display. It's not a wiring issue. There's nothing electronically wrong with the bike because look, you turn it on, everything fires up perfectly fine. It's just that the radio stopped displaying things on the screen. So, what I would say, as you can see, it just goes on and off. I'm gonna get back to that point real quick. 19,292 miles on it. Everything runs great. It's 2013. What I would do personally is I would just put an aftermarket speaker in or head unit in. They're super cheap. You just pop that front fairing off, put it in there, and that's personally what I would do to the bike in order to get it back to functioning state as far as perfect. And you can pick up those aftermarket radios super cheap. We are selling the bike as is. If we have to fix it, obviously the price will change. But we're selling it as is because a lot of you like DIY guys out there, you want Bluetooth anyways because for some reason on the Goldwing and on the Vaquero and on the Voyager, they decide that just Bluetooth doesn't really matter and that using an old school like iPod hookup from 2001 is the best way to do it. So personally, I put a stereo in that has Bluetooth that I can Bluetooth to the speakers. The speakers sound great. It's just, I'm not going to be doing that because I don't have the time to. And so if this is something you want, I would recommend doing that. I'm selling it for $7,900, guys. That's like stupid cheap for what it is. But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike. Sean will probably point that out again. And let me know if it's something you're interested in. Thanks a ton, guys.